In this quick video, I'll show you how to set Spotify music as ringtone in Android or iOS. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, open Spotify app in your Android or iOS. Once you open it, find any music which you want to set as your mobile ringtone. Let me just find here a music. Suppose I want to set this music as my ringtone. Firstly, I need to open it, and once you are on the music, tap on the three dots which are available on top. Once you tap on it, you can see there is no option to set this music directly from Spotify as our mobile ringtone. So to set this music as ringtone, firstly we need to go back here and download this music in your mobile. To download it, tap on the download icon which is on the left side of three dots. Once you tap on it, it will start downloading this music in your mobile. And once the music is downloaded, go to settings of your mobile, search here ringtone and go to ringtone settings here. Once you open it, now go to ringtone and click on select from files and select the music file which you want to set as your mobile ringtone. But make sure that you might require Spotify premium version in order to download music from Spotify in your mobile. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.